Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aditya and I would like to give you a few tips on home based workouts. See, with the new announcement of lockdowns and everything, the gyms and everything have closed, and even people going out for regular exercise or cycling or running, they have come to a standstill. So, obviously, you want to stay in shape and you want to do some sort of a workout to ensure that you are burning the calories which you are accumulating by just sitting. Moreover, it's important to do some sort of a workout every day so that you stay in shape and your body, your joints stay in good condition. Especially with working from homes, people develop lower back pain, neck pain, and other issues. Home based workouts are good in a way that they ensure that you stay in a good shape, you stay at home, and decrease your chances of getting COVID by going to gym and all those things. So let's see what are the things you can do to stay in shape and more importantly to prevent any injuries while working out at home.
When you're looking at home-based workouts, only the basic set of equipments are required. So basically what you may need up is some resistance band for doing various exercises. You may need a set of barbells. All the big equipments like benches and all those things generally are not required, and in Mumbai you don't have a lot of space in the homes to keep all those things. Gym mats are important because you want to protect your knees when you get down and do the workouts. Now, it's important to eat before you do the workout. You need to have some amount of calories in your system. So, preferably have a slice of pear, have a slice of watermelon, or a slice of apple or banana, something like that to keep you going. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be working out on an empty stomach. Now, some of these workouts tend to be quite intense. So, yes, you need to keep hydrated. So ideally, you should have 1 liter of water if you're working out, let's say, for around an hour. Now, you need to be focused on what you want to work out. You're staying at home, you're working out to stay fit. So focus on your core areas. Focus on the core of the body, lower body, and the back, because most of the issues due to working from home arise from these areas. Stretching is very important before the workout. Stretch to prevent stiff joints and avoiding any injuries. Shoes are a very important aspect of your home-based workout because you'll be doing a lot of jumping jacks or high knees and all those things, and you can start getting foot pain if you don't have shoes. So wear shoes at home also for workouts. Now, for those having knee problems or knee injuries, it's always better to stick to half lunges or half squats rather than going all the way and doing a full lunge or a full squat, which can aggravate your knee problem. So if you do this, you'll get a good strength in the knee. Now, those having shoulder problems or shoulder dislocations, generally they should avoid something like this. Like so, avoid doing close grip push-ups. It can damage your shoulder. Now, important thing is when you're working out at home, you may be starting at a beginner level. So gradually increase the intensity of the workout. Rome was not built in a day. Now, once your workout is done, remember to cool down, relax, get your heart rate down. The most important aspect of staying fit is having good food. So have healthy food, fresh salads, green vegetables, and if you like meat, then try to have meat which is lean, which will be more nutritious for you rather than having processed food. So this will give you in good shape. It will keep you healthy and get you the best results out of your workout. What you need to avoid is junk food, fried food, and fast food. All those things are not very healthy, and you will not get the results out of your workout. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, you can type in the comment box.